Hey credit heroes, I'm Daniel Rosen, and I'm bringing 20 years of experience in the credit repair industry boiled down into the 10 steps that you need to be successful. On today's podcast, I'll lay out a structured roadmap for growing your very own credit repair business, showing you how to build on your own experiences to help change lives for others. So you better stick around. My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets. In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I've helped thousands of businesses scale from the ground up. I've experienced many of the same challenges that credit heroes face and learned proven ways to overcome them and succeed. If you're anything like me, you're a giver. You care about helping people. Helping them fix their credit the way you fixed your own would be an amazing feeling, wouldn't it? Well, guess what? It could also be a great business. You just need the right business blueprint. There are proven strategies that have helped countless credit repair businesses thrive. Here's how this relates to us. I first learned about credit repair when a bank error ruined my credit. And because of that error, I almost lost my house. It was so scary, and I felt like a loser. I got obsessed with learning how to fix my credit, and I started to realize I wasn't alone. A lot of other people had the very same problem. I ended up creating a software that made it much easier to do credit repair and run a business. And now, Credit Repair Cloud is the industry leader. Maybe you felt like a loser too, but I hope you found my training and fixed your own credit, and that you've seen firsthand the amazing benefits of credit repair, because that's really the first step in building a credit repair business. If you're still stuck in the cycle of bad credit, I've got good news for you. I have a new 5-day virtual challenge called the Start Repairing Credit Challenge. It's packed with expert info for fixing your own credit, and even better, it is free, and you can sign up right now at startrepairingcredit.com for the next challenge starting very soon. Here's why this is important. Fixing your own credit first is an important step because it helps you to learn the process and makes it much easier for your clients to relate to you. It might seem hard and scary, but it can be done. In fact, over 50 people have built credit repair businesses using Credit Repair Cloud and have made over $1 million. And lots of them started by fixing their own credit. Here's the thing, and I'm going to be brutally honest with you here. It's kind of selfish to learn credit repair and then keep it to yourself, because there are a ton of people who need your help. Did you know that 79% of credit reports contain errors? These errors are caused by everything from accidents to incompetence or even identity theft. And those errors are really hurting people. So there are millions of people who need credit repair services, whether they know it or not. And if you want to seize the opportunity and change lives and make a great living, it's time to follow the blueprint. Here's what you need to know. Number 1, work on yourself to master your craft. I've said it before, but it's important. First, work on yourself. Not necessarily as a person, but work on your credit. With the right training and software, credit repair is a relatively simple process. But running a business isn't. There are always new things that you have to learn. Repairing your credit helps you gain valuable hands-on experience. So work on yourself and master your craft. Check out the Start Repairing Credit Challenge if you need more help. The link is going to be over there in the show description. Number 2, work on friends and family. Soon enough, you'll be armed with great information, and this will give you a chance to be the guiding light for your loved ones. Helping them will allow you to refine your skills and gather real-world testimonials, which are great for any business. Now you're ready to take the leap from practice to pro. Number 3, review the laws in your state. Credit repair businesses are regulated by both federal and state laws. And the CFPB is now enforcing the telemarketing sales rule across the entire credit repair industry. As a credit repair organization, you must follow the TSR strictly to avoid penalties or legal action. To make sure you're compliant, be sure to download our free compliance checklist at creditrepaircloud.com/TSR. Under the federal law, credit repair businesses must provide clients with a written contract that their clients must sign. Also, credit repair businesses cannot charge for services in advance. They can only charge for work that's actually been completed. In addition, each state has different laws governing licenses, registration, and surety bond requirements for credit repair businesses. To review the legal requirements in your state, you can go to creditrepaircloud.com/all-states. And by the way, I'm going to put all those links in the show notes. Number 4, create a business plan. A business plan is a map to success where you answer key business-related questions like, what services do I offer? Who are my target clients? What size is my market? Who are my competitors? And how many clients do I need to be profitable? This is a massive research and brainstorming session where you outline your entire vision. So the more questions you ask yourself, the more prepared and confident you'll be as you run your business. Number 5, register your business. After you decide on a name for your business and you register it with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office at uspto.gov, you should also structure it as a sole proprietorship, general partnership, limited liability company, or an S corporation, and then register it with your state and county government. This will allow you to see the local regulations for operating a credit repair business, register for any licenses and permits that they require, and secure liability insurance if necessary. The fees associated with these licenses and permits are generally very reasonable. Number 6, sign up for an employer identification number, or EIN. If you hope to hire employees one day, an EIN separates you from your business. But if you're a sole proprietor or a single member of an LLC, you can just use your Social Security number. You can apply for an EIN at the IRS website using Form SS-4. Number 7, open a business bank account. Opening a business bank account is similar to opening a personal account. Most banks offer business accounts, so shop around to find the best rates and terms that work for you. You can often find one that's free. After you choose a bank, bring in your EIN or your Social Security number, your articles of incorporation, and legal documents, and open the account. This is another way to keep your business and personal finances separate. Number 8, start getting clients. It's time to start working on getting clients and amplifying the positive impact on people's lives. And you can do this through a variety of time-tested ways and strategies. Marketing and sales. Before you market your business, you need to develop a strategy, and it should include a plan for strong online presence, networking opportunities, and free, near free, or paid ads. Prepare to use social media a lot. Facebook, Instagram, Google, Yelp, TikTok, and others, even YouTube. They can all help you in different ways. You can also make flyers, host promotional giveaways, and request testimonials from satisfied clients. You can network with professionals in related fields, build relationships with affiliates, and collect referrals. Automations. As you scale, manual processes can become a bottleneck. Automations can free up your time for tasks like strategic planning and client interaction. Plus, automating routine tasks can reduce human error, improving service quality. We've just added a really cool and easy-to-use self-service sign-up page to Credit Repair Cloud. This new feature features a professional-looking landing page where leads can sign up by themselves, pay for services, and get started with onboarding automatically. Hiring a team. Hiring a competent team allows you to delegate tasks, focus on strategy, and achieve a better work-life balance. A team can also bring in diverse skills and perspectives that you may lack. Number 9, create thoughtful operation and pricing systems. Now it's time to map out the services you offer, determine how much you'll charge, and develop a process for charging clients. Just remember to keep your clients in mind when creating these systems. What's easiest for you might not be what's best for them. And make sure you follow all the state and federal regulations here too. Number 10, maximize efficiency with software. Credit repair takes time, patience, and persistence. And if you want to speed up the process, you should incorporate tools for processing payments, billing, and invoicing. While it's true that it's my baby, I can honestly say that Credit Repair Cloud is the #1 credit repair software in America. It provides an all-in-one business platform with automated disputing and recurring billing solutions. It includes a massive dispute letter library, around-the-clock customer support, and additional integrated features that make scaling your credit repair as fast as possible. If you're interested in checking it out, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial at creditrepaircloud.com/free trial. Here's my final point. Transitioning from fixing your own credit to running a credit repair business represents not just the beginning of a venture into the professional realm, but also personal growth. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn how this credit hero made $500,000 in 1 year repairing credit, tune in here. And if you'd like to improve your credit score and discover how to earn extra income repairing credit for others, check out my brand new Start Repairing Credit Challenge. So sign up right now at startrepairingcredit.com and keep changing lives.